We've just been having a session in which we have been looking at new ways in which we can target the immune system in order to effect new treatments in childhood cancer. We've had some extremely good state-of-the-art presentations from real leaders in the field internationally who are running clinical trials of new approaches for childhood cancer, for example, involving the manipulation of a body's immune killer cells and their reintroduction back into patients. We had a discussion at the end of a meeting specifically about how we can take these new approaches forward into the clinic, and also what are what you might call the low-hanging fruits. So what are the diseases which are the biggest unmet need in children's cancer? How can we target them by applying the same approaches we've used, which have been very successful in leukemia, into things such as childhood brain tumours and some of the other childhood diseases which are metastasized around the body. So that led to a very good discussion about applying the lessons which have been learned in leukemia and looking at ways in which solid tumours are different and how those approaches can be utilised in future clinical trials. Well, I'm involved in a clinical trial in neuroblastoma, which is one of the childhood solid cancers, in which we're trying to use the same technology as been used in the leukemia field with what we call genetically modified T cells in order to effect a shrinkage of a tumour. So probably in a year's time, when we've recruited more patients, we'll have beginning to get some real clear indications of how that's going, what lessons we've learned and what changes we can do in order to improve it in the future.